The MFL X Industrial IoT App is an MFL Group proprietary application deployed on Mindsphere, the cloud-based open industrial IoT operating system. It harvests extra value from your MFL production lines by leveraging exponential technologies. The app is supplied as software as a service, and it receives periodic software updates that improve the user experience and performance. One license is required to connect each asset. With your first subscription, we activate a subtenant account on the MFL X Siemens Mindsphere platform. Each additional asset is added to the existing subtenant account. The second type of license is the user license. Each user under a subtenant account can have access to all or to a selected group of production lines. This is the app cockpit, where you select which application to deploy. The first page is the home page. From here, you can select or search your production line in grid, list, or map view. Check the real-time status of the line and visualize a quick performance report. Once the asset is selected, the menu on the left becomes available, and we start with the Machine Supervision tab, which has two sections. The first is Remote Monitoring, where you can check key parameters of the complete production line in real time and dig deeper into the data by clicking on a specific machine or on any of the synoptics. The second is State Analysis, which allows you to analyze how the asset is spending its time. The machine states are shown in Gantt chart, pie chart, or table view, and can be displayed for different custom intervals. The second page is dedicated to measuring OEE, a manufacturing best practice. By measuring OEE and the underlying losses, you will gain important insights on how to systematically improve your manufacturing process. OEE is the single best metric for identifying losses, benchmarking progress, and improving the productivity of manufacturing equipment. From this page, the app becomes very analytical, because you can access the complete set of historical data without time interval limitations. The third page is called Analytics, and is designed for detailed KPI analysis. Manually select the time interval to visualize trend lines for a large set of KPIs. Compare two KPIs on the same page, or aggregate one KPI using two different metrics. The different levels of aggregation allow you to harvest even more value in your data. Moving down on the menu, we can access the Breakdowns tab. This page helps you focus on solving the issues that matter the most by analyzing line breakdowns both in Pareto chart and in table view. This page also shows you valuable information such as the mean time between failures and the mean time to repair the line and get it up and running. And it continues to get more interesting. The State Analysis page has two sections. The first is called State Statistics. It displays the upper-level machine states such as downtime, setup time, and productive time for the selected time interval, aggregated by month, week, day, or shift. The second is State Traceability. Here you can easily understand asset behavior for every single shift during the selected time interval. You can dig deeper into the state analysis of a specific shift by selecting it from the list. It shows a Gantt chart view of the line behavior. On the Production Traceability tab, you can trace the production quality for a selected period based on a variety of quality parameters coming from line sensors. Classify this analysis by order ID, reel ID, article ID, and other production parameters. From this list, you can select a specific reel for a detailed quality analysis of the reel, or coil. The reel timeline is a graphical representation of the reel quality, which makes it easier to understand the data to make better decisions. Another cool feature is the Smart Notifications, which are designed to be highly customizable by easily programming conditions. You decide when and who should receive smart notifications based on the asset's performance, KPI thresholds, machine states, etc. Furthermore, the app would not be complete without a native integration to our technical support system. Easily reach out to the customer care team. Most of the information in the form is already pre-compiled for your specific asset. All you have to do is describe your inquiry, then the system algorithms will take care of sorting out your request so it lands on the desk of the most appropriate customer care executive. With the production planning calendar, you can schedule your production shifts, plan maintenance time, or schedule downtime. List your operators and assign them to specific shift templates. Or as a better alternative, the production calendar can be synchronized with your manufacturing execution system. Finally, in the options page, you can select the display language or between metric or imperial units.